Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan GTR R35 gold edition, and this is by Greenlight. So this one is, I think, limited edition. Yeah, it is a limited edition. So I just want to know one thing, guys. Whoever collects Greenlight specifically, I want to understand if this is a chase edition or something like. Because I never owned any chase editions apart from in Hot Wheels and no, it's not even Hot Wheels. Sorry, in Majorities I have like one or so, but I never actually owned any chase edition specifically in any of the brands because it is really too hard to get it in India. Okay, here's the back side of it. So I'm not sure if this is a chase edition or not, but whether it's a chase or not a chase edition, we are going to unbox it in our channel. Okay, let's cut this open. I really don't want to damage the card here. Let me just try to cut it open from this part. So this one I bought actually, because my wife really loved this specific one. Because maybe it is in golden color, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, let's just take it out. Okay, so it's a closer look of it. Let me just keep it aside. I'm not going to throw this away. I'm just planning to keep this card as it is. So let me just keep it aside for a minute. So here is the casting. So the initial impressions of this casting, it looks good. It is not like anything too spectacular or anything. It does look really nice, and it is a bit heavy. I think there is some issue with the chassis. The chassis is actually metal, but I can see some kind of powdery stuff coming out of the chassis. You can see here. Okay, the tires are actually made of rubber. Yeah, and it has acrylics for the headlights, and the logo placement looks really nice. It does have some grille details. The hood detail looks really nice. So there is some interior detail to it, but the windows are really tinted, so I can't able to show it to you guys very clearly. I really hope these manufacturers give some clear windshields so that we can enjoy the interiors as well. So here's the rear view of the car. So okay, the tail lights are actually painted. So I think I bought this for around 900 or so. So it is a good casting. It is not too spectacular or anything, but it is a good casting. Again, my issue is with this chassis, which is, I really don't know, man. It is, you can see the powder coating here. I need to clean this off with some alcohol or some. I need to do something for this. So if you guys have any idea how to do this, just drop me in the comments. I will do it. Okay, let's do a suspension test real quick. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll really well at all. It doesn't roll at all properly. You can see a lot of body pitch and roll here, and a lot of wheel wobble here. So this, you can just keep it as a collector's item, but nothing much. I think the spoiler looks kind of plasticky, but as you can see here, spoiler looks kind of plasticky, but I'm really not sure if it is plastic. Yeah, it is plastic, I guess. Yeah, the rest of the car is actually metal with rubber tires and metal rims and all. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.